Hello everyone, I'm Lin. Our group topic is water sanitation and hygiene. Lin and Karina are the two members in this group. The outline of the presentation is that Lin will talk about the introduction, issue, and recommendation 1 about wash. When she finishes, Karina will then discuss the recommendation 2 and the benefits of the recommendations. At the end, she will do the conclusion for our presentation. Let's welcome Lin to do the issue of lack of wash facilities. Many developing countries do not have access to the necessary sanitation facilities. This situation, which harms the overall hygiene level and causes residents vulnerable to disease. First of all, the issue is that polluted dysfunctional facilities cause many diseases such as diarrhea and trachoma, and make a great harm to people's health. As an example, Gina suggested that in Kenya, only 30% of the total population have access to safe water and sanitation facilities, especially in rural areas. A large proportion of the rural population does not have safe drinking water facilities. As a result, Gina claimed that every 74 per thousand children under 5 died of water and sanitation-related disease, with a further 20% of children diagnosed with diarrhea disease associated with inadequate water and sanitation facilities. In addition, Mara argued that 10% of diseases such as diarrhea disease and trachoma were caused due to the lack of suitable sanitation facilities. Hence, it is without any doubt that the number of deaths and disease created from the inappropriate sanitation facilities. Now let's move on next part. I'll talk about the first recommendation of this issue. To improve the sanitary and safe water, the corporate social responsibility has a duty to supply alleviation measures to accomplish the goal. The first recommendation is to propose that scaling up pipe water and improved water sanitation in developing countries, which can mitigate the disease issues for the public health and make great economic benefits. For example, Nadi suggested that in India, through scaling up pipe water and achieve better sanitation equipment, it is measured saving 76,574 deaths and avoidance of 48.8 million children's diarrhea disease accounts. Nadi claimed that by expanding pipe water, which could save $402.9 million for residents' disease burden, and it will economize a potential loss of $4.5 billion. It is clear that expand pipe water supply and improve sanitation facilities achieve a great social and economic impact. Moreover, this recommendation also suggests, besides the scaling up pipe water, the safe water facilities should be built near the residents. Take Kenya as an example. Gina argued that there are 45.4% people cost more than 1.5 hours every round trip to collect water. In conclusion, the corporate social responsibility policy not only need to scaling up the pipe water, but also the wash sanitation need to be built close to the residents. Thanks for listening my part. Let's welcome Karina to do the next recommendation and the conclusion of the presentation.